My name is Bikram. We're a small family of four. It's my wife, Sonika, who's a teacher. I have a retail store in Brampton, Guru Kripa Wholesale, and two kids, one 23 years old and the other is 15 years old. I was really impressed by this concept of going green and wanted to contribute a little bit to the environment, to generate my own electricity in my house and be self-sufficient in that and help the environment. And then the government incentive kicked in. I got a loan from the government, interest-free over a 10-year period, which I gave to Solar essentially to get the solar panels, and it all worked out. I am literally generating electricity for my own consumption in my house. Now I'm recommending it to everybody else because it does work. They were good in their time commitment. They did exactly what they said they would do. That was pretty impressive. They stuck to the timelines. Oh, the installation process was seamless actually. A few days before the installation, a truck came to my house with everything, guided them to the garage. And once the stuff was in the garage, then Chris scheduled the installation, which was done in, I think, a day or two, something like that. Everything was seamless, no problems. From the stats that I have collected, I have generated nearly 75% of the electricity usage in my house. I'm pretty impressed with the solar energy that's being generated. It'll be a good investment. I do believe in climate change. My little bit helping the environment, whatever I could. Was approved like interest-free over 10 years, over a 10-year period. 80% of the project is solar and 20% is approvals from the utility companies, TSA and all the stuff. So the 80% that Chris was responsible for, he would give me exact dates and let me know what's happening, and I appreciate that. But the 20%, there were delays, but that's something I do understand it was beyond his control, and he used to explain me clearly that why it's beyond his control and why these things happen like this. So Chris was very responsive in whenever I had questions about the project. Follow your belief. Like I believed in solar, so I just got done. You have to make your own decision, and solar is a good decision, according to me. First 10 years, I think I'm gonna be breaking even with my investment. But after that, I just enjoy free electricity for something that's paid off with a very minimal cost after that. It's the sun's energy that's being wasted kind of, and you are harnessing it, which is a good idea. And yeah, as I mentioned, a leap of faith, I guess.